You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Okay, welcome back, everyone. We've sifted through a whole stack of sources this week looking for those really impactful bits of tech and science news.
Yeah, lots happening. It's about cutting through the noise. Right. Finding the stuff that actually matters.
Exactly. We're talking AI that can run your computer, some wild space telescope news, and even how your phone might warn you about earthquakes. Pretty broad mix.
Definitely reshaping things.
So let's dive in. First up, OpenAI. They've got this new ChatGPT Agent. And it's not just chat anymore, is it?
No, not at all. This thing can, control a whole virtual computer for you. It's designed for complex multi-step tasks.
What sort of tasks?
Well, think about briefing you on a client meeting using multiple documents, or planning your meals for the week and then ordering the groceries online, or even building a slide deck from scratch based on some notes.
Wow. Okay, so it's not just automation, it's more like an active assistant, executing whole projects.
Precisely. It's a real leap in autonomous capability. It fundamentally changes how you might interact with your tech trees here. You delegate workflows, not just single commands.
Right. And that seems to be a trend, this deeper AI integration.
Absolutely. Look at Google's VO3, which is now in the Gemini API. It doesn't just generate video clips, it creates stunning visuals, dialogue, sound. It even simulates physics for realistic motion.
So AI handling the whole creative process almost.
Getting there, yeah. And it's not just creative stuff. Robinhood CEO mentioned nearly all their new code is AI written now.
100%. Almost. That's huge.
It's getting embedded everywhere. Even development tools, like JetBrains has a local AI that figures out, how to complete log entries based on the code around it.
That AI integration is really something. But let's bring it back down to earth a bit, to our everyday devices. Apple announced some things at WWDC 25, right? Call screening.
Yeah, iOS call screening and hold assist. The idea is basically to kill off spam calls. Your phone asks who's calling and why before it even rings for you.
Finally. That sounds amazing.
It tackles a huge annoyance, right? And it's a good example of using smart tech to boost user experience and privacy, too. And they mentioned text screening is coming in iOS 26 as well.
Okay, good to know. And speaking of phones doing unexpected things, Android phones as earthquake detectors. How does that work?
It's pretty clever, actually. They use the accelerometers, the same things that detect screen rotation in millions of phones. If enough phones in an area detect the specific vibrations of an earthquake.
P waves, right, the initial one.
Exactly, the initial P waves. If enough detect it simultaneously, it triggers an alert to users nearby, hopefully giving them seconds to find cover before the more damaging S waves hit.
And it works?
Impressively well, apparently. They've tracked 12,279 events with only 3 false positives.
Wow. That's turning our pockets into a safety network. Briefly on developer tools, too. TSX.
Oh, yeah, TypeScript Execute, TSX. Yeah. It just makes running TypeScript and Node.js really smooth, no separate build step needed, and its watch mode speeds up iteration during development, little things that make a big difference.
Okay, so from helpful conveniences to literal life-saving tech on our phones. But let's shift gears now to things that are, well, truly pushing boundaries, like this IVF breakthrough.
Ah, yes, the 3-person DNA technique for mitochondrial diseases. It's quite significant.
So they've had healthy babies born using this. Explain it simply.
Right. 8 healthy babies born free from severe mitochondrial conditions they likely would have inherited. The method combines the main DNA from the mother's egg and father's sperm, but uses the healthy mitochondria, the cell's energy packs, from a donor egg.
So tiny bit of donor DNA, but it fixes the issue.
Exactly. And the crucial part, because mitochondrial DNA is passed down maternally, this genetic alteration is permanent. It'll be passed to future generations.
That's profound. Medically amazing, but the implications.
Huge ethical and societal questions, absolutely. We're talking about altering the human germline, our shared genetic legacy. It forces some very serious conversations.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, from the microscopic to the cosmic, NASA's next big thing. The Roman Space Telescope.
Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, yeah. Launching around 2027, its main feature is this incredible field of view. It can see an area of the sky 100 times larger than Hubble in a single shot.
100 times. What does that let it do?
Well, the scale is just immense. They expect it to map the light from over 1 billion galaxies. This could revolutionize our understanding of dark energy, dark matter, maybe even find evidence of the universe's very first stars.
1 billion galaxies. It's hard to even picture that.
It really is. The sheer volume of data will be staggering.
Okay, back to Earth again. Big plans for infrastructure, too. California forever.
Right. This plan for a huge new tech manufacturing park in Solano County, California. They're calling it the Solano Foundry.
Aimed at.
Attracting top talent in AI, hardware, semiconductors, aerospace, the whole high-tech manufacturing stack. They're promising expedited permitting, renewable energy, basically trying to build a next-gen tech hub from the ground up.
Interesting. Creating a dedicated ecosystem. And you mentioned a few other quick hits. Encryption, robotaxes.
Yeah, a couple of things bubbling up. Fully homomorphic encryption, FHE, is getting closer. That's the dream of computing unencrypted data without decrypting it first. Imagine a truly private internet.
That would be a game changer for privacy.
Totally. And then you've got Uber making deals with Lucid for potential luxury robotaxis, and with Neuro for autonomous delivery bots, plus cool open source projects like the Amazing Hand Advanced Robotics becoming more accessible. It's all moving fast.
It really is quite something, isn't it? Just the sheer pace across so many different areas. Our phones, our biology, the cosmos, how we build things.
It's relentless. And what strikes me is how these things, while seeming separate, are all sort of pushing outwards, redefining what's possible.
Yeah, AI controlling computers, designer DNA, peering back to the dawn of time.
They're all fundamentally changing our relationship with technology and even our understanding of our place in the universe. It feels like we're actively building a very different future, faster than maybe we even realize.
A really interesting thought to end on. So, for everyone listening, as you think about all this, which of these leaps forward feels the most significant or maybe the most surprising to you? Worth pondering.
Spoken Tech for your ears.